Here I have Suzuki Vitara, and let me show you how to change AC mode while idling stop. So at the very beginning, let me start by using the home screen of the Suzuki Vitara. Let's find here and select the settings, so the gear icon. From the list of settings, let's select here the vehicle icon, so the car icon from the left list. And here, let's select the vehicle customization. Here you can find the AC mode while idling stop. As you can see, it's almost at the bottom of the list. Let's just tap it. So this manages the conflict between the auto stop start system, which kills the engine at red lights to save fuel, and the air conditioning compressor. So basically you can use here standard, economy and comfort. Standard is a balance between comfort and fuel saving. Comfort, the engine will restart sooner and stay running more often to keep cabin cold. Economy, the engine stays off longer to save fuel, even if the cabin air starts to get a little warmer. So you can decide which of the following modes you would like to use. I think in my case I will be using the standard one. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.